Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have managed to pick up a bunch of gorgeous artificial flowers, and as you can see, they've kind of taken over. I'm using them to make these lovely centerpieces for our wedding. I made several, and you can see here they're all a little bit different, but we're basically telling a color story here with a little bit of drama. If you aren't already, feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you can get notified when new videos are uploaded. Here we go, let's get started. I am really happy with how these came out, and hopefully I've inspired you to DIY some wedding floral arrangements of your own. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and also if this is something that you guys want to see more of. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!